Hello guys, and thank you for joining me today. In this video I'll be talking about Kaspa coin. So this is currently the pair between Kaspa and USDT on Bybit. I'll be making a quick analysis using the 4 hours time frame, and then I'll leave you to make your choice of investment based on what you think and the opinion you have on the coin. Now when you look into the chart carefully, you'd realize that I have about 5 points marked with blue lines. We have the first point right here, we have the second point right here, we have the third point right here, we have the fourth point right here, and the fifth point right here. Now considering the current chart pattern of the coin, it's currently in a downtrend, and this implies that the buy pressure is not strong enough to actually increase the price of the coin in order for the coin to establish an uptrend. So you realize that from this previous resistance, this highest resistance created right here, from the price of $0.0523, you can observe a dip or a dump to about $0.038. So this is a huge dump, and you can see the creation of multiple lower lows. This is the first low right here, then you have the second low, you have the third low, and the fourth low. Now after each of these low, you realize that the buyers actually go into the market, and then when they try to buy, their pressure and momentum is not strong enough to break above the previous resistance. So this is what we use in identifying if the coin is going to maintain a downtrend. It is when the buyers can actually push the price above the previous resistance that you can now say it is currently going for an uptrend. But looking into the price of Kaspa right now, I don't think it will establish any uptrend anytime soon, because the buy pressure is not strong enough. Now after this first low, there was a slight buy pressure right here. Okay, there was a slight buy pressure right here, and it couldn't increase the price above this previous resistance, and then a pullback occurred to this second low, and then a buy pressure again, an impulsive move that couldn't even break above this previous resistance created. So you can see the continuous falling of the price until it got to this particular position, and then from this position we have a strong buy pressure, a stronger impulsive move, taking the price from this particular region to this current resistance. Okay, so this is the resistance right here. Now this impulsive move took the price from this region to this resistance, and because the buyers are not strong enough, because the ratio of the buyers compared to the sellers is lower, you have the price fall back towards the downside. And right here we don't really know where the coin will be heading to next, because it hasn't broken below the previous support. Normally if it will maintain the downtrend, there has to be a break below this support, below the previous support, because when you go back to the first high created, that's the first resistance created right here, you realize that all the supports created were below each other, and this is why we have multiple lower lows. So within this particular region we can't really tell where the price of Kaspa is heading to until it breaks below this resistance. If it breaks below this resistance, we can say it will maintain a downtrend, it will continue a downtrend. But if it doesn't break below this resistance, this support rather, there's a possibility of the coin establishing an uptrend. But then before it establishes an uptrend, it will also have to break above this previous resistance right here. Now there's a resistance within this region. Okay, so for the price of Kaspa to establish an uptrend, it has to break above this resistance. So if it breaks above this resistance, there's a high tendency and probability that it will establish an uptrend, and this resistance could become the next support for the new highs to be created. So this is what I have concerning Kaspa coin this morning. This is my analysis on Kaspa coin. I'm not giving you 100% guarantee that it won't establish an uptrend, but based on the chart pattern and the price action, what we have right here is a stronger indication that the price of Kaspa would maintain a downtrend. So if you are to make any investment at all into this coin, it is advisable you observe the coin very well to see if it will break below this support. If it doesn't break below the support, then you wait to see if it will break above this resistance. If it breaks above this resistance, then you can enter your trade if you want. So for those of you who are new to this channel and are interested in daily updates like this, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will always be notified each time I make new videos like this on this channel. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.